Hi, in this video I'm going to explain how to plug in and take out the battery on the Innuovo Electric Wheelchair model W5521. To take the battery out, press the release lock and pull it with enough force. If you want to charge the battery, you can plug it in directly into the port. Now let's insert the battery back in. Align it on the rail on both sides. Now, while pressing the release handle, push strongly at the end. Let's turn the controller on. It's good. If the controller doesn't turn on, the battery isn't completely touching the base, which means it's not fully inserted. Slide back and press tightly again. I hope this is helpful. Until the next video.